do a challenge with cooking using something part of my costume. Handcuffs. Let's get started. So my goal is to try to cook a breakfast sandwich with these on. It's fun, I know. I don't know how I'm gonna flip this sandwich. We'll figure that out. I always figure something out sometime. Okay, this one always hurts when I put this one on. Also, these are not like, these are like fake handcuffs, so I should be fine. I gotta, oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I'm scared. I gotta like, oh my gosh, what the heck? Bro, what the gosh. That literally took forever. Oh my gosh, I got shell in there. Oh! I gotta get the fork. Get out of there. That's bad. Terrible aim. Do we have a problem, Walker? Okay, sorry about my brother in the background. Okay, oh my gosh. I gotta crush the egg too. I'm recording a video here. We do not have any pepper on this. Okay, yeah, we do. We're good. Guys, we have pepper. I put extra butter on this, so we should be good. Why is there a lot of salt?
I'm gonna eat something I haven't had in a while.
What? Okay.
Is that a porridge?
Anyway, guys, so I'm ready. The challenge already started, so. Now it's gonna be hard flipping it, but I'm gonna try to figure that out, cause. Ow. And luckily my grandma made bacon for me, so we should be good. Oh my gosh. Bro, this already looks terrible. Ah! I'm not trying to break these, but like, hopefully we don't. So this is gonna be like a scene for somebody in the park. Well, I can actually help you out if you let me go. Oh my gosh. I put a little too much. Oh, that looks good. I'm like, oh, I did a good flip. That was a good flip. I gotta put some salt on the pan too. Okay, there we go. Okay, the salt on the pan was not my idea. Actually, it was. I thought it was gonna make it good, but it's probably gonna make it saltier, which is not the point. Kind of. Let's go. I gotta flip it back around now. And then back around again. I went trick-or-treating yesterday. Okay, I gotta go throw this away. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta start toasting. Okay, get the paper towel thingy from the bottom. I make like a mini station. Okay, got like 3 paper towels. Gotta throw this away too. I don't know why I'm speedrunning this. Okay. Is it done? Does it look good? I cannot. No, it's still just raw. It needs to stay a little longer. We need more butter. That's the issue. Butter. Butter. This is stressful. So, my grandma already cooked bacon. Thank you. Anyway. So, I think she got me like 4 pieces. No. 4 pieces. I was just double checking. This is low-key a vibe. I'm not gonna lie. It feels weird to cook with this. I probably should not add pepper because like, pepper's not supposed to be part of the breakfast sandwich. But it's my breakfast sandwich, so I'm allowing it. I gotta think. Okay, so the character that's gonna be handcuffed is a mystery character. I'm joking. It's Ginger. She's gonna be handcuffed. She's gonna be handcuffed. And no, Ginger runs the party. Her actual name is Roxanne. If y'all didn't know, I talked to y'all about that. I think so. I I could have sworn. Oh my gosh, I can. Gosh, I can. Okay, now that's perfect. Okay, it's all done. And the breakfast is done too. Yeah. Ow, it burns. Okay. Ow, ouch. Oh my gosh, okay. Just slap on there. Okay, thank you so much, you're the best. Ow. I don't know why I did that. Now we gotta oh my gosh, it's crunchy, munchy, dusty. Okay, put the egg on there. Ow, it burns, it burns, it burns! Cheese. I don't even know how to make my own breakfast sandwich. I honestly forgot what I do first. I usually put cheese first. I honestly thought I had to put the bacon first, but I'm like, no, I don't. I put the cheese first. No, I'm not stupid. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, we got this, Chad. We got this. We got this. We're alive. If you want to make a breakfast sandwich like me, just without the handcuffs, because I'm clearly dying right now, I honestly think these handcuffs might break. Okay, that's a soft piece of bacon. I don't like soft pieces. I like crunchy bacon. If it's not crunchy, don't talk to me. I love crunchy, munchy, dusty, dusty. Okay, now I gotta go stick this in the microwave for like, I don't know how long. Hopefully not long. Okay, got another paper towel, put it separately, put the thingy in the microwave for like 12 or 15 seconds, I don't know. I don't know how long, but whatever. I usually put it in there for 19. Okay, we put it in there for 19 seconds. I don't know how I'm gonna wash my pan, so we'll figure that out, hopefully. Okay, this is stressful. Oh my gosh, that does not sound good. Ow. Okay. Okay, you gotta wait. I gotta wash my hands. I gotta wash two things actually. This and this. Oh my gosh, I gotta do this for sight. Okay, one's done somehow. I don't know how. I just did that and I'm like, what? Okay. This is totally not stressing me out. I get it. Okay, where's the towel? Oh my gosh. This does not look good. Hold on. Ow. Okay, I got it. I somehow got that. Please tell me this pan is easy. My sister cooks soup in a pan. I cook it in a pot, because like, who doesn't? Oh. There's my gums coming. Okay, bye guys. The challenge is over. Finally, I'm free. I somehow did that. Bye. The most W sandwich. Ow. That hurt. Anyway, I just fell. Okay. So, I can't believe I just pulled that off. Like, making a breakfast sandwich with handcuffs on. That was crazy. I did not actually think I could pull that off. Okay. The breakfast sandwich looking delicious. I'm joking. And I'm enjoying my breakfast sandwich. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!